Good day, everyone. My name is Taiwo Olaleye, and I am representing my team to present a paper on the evaluation of VADER and multilingual sentiment analyzers for opinion mining analytics using graphical illustrations. And this presentation will follow this structure from introduction up to contribution to knowledge. Natural language processing is actually a use case of artificial intelligence, and it involves the process of making machine understand human languages. Its application areas include sentiment analysis, topic modeling, word embedding, and so on. And there are a lot of works in literature with state-of-the-arts in different fields of application. Sentiment analysis, on the other hand, determines the emotions and unravels sentiments that are expressed through human languages, and they are categorized into three polarities of positive, negative, or neutral sentiments. So this study will be using the VADER and multilingual sentiment analyzers to evaluate textual tweets that was generated during a recently concluded African Cup of Nations football matches between Nigeria and two other African nations. So this study is motivated by the functionalities offered by the natural language processing, and we'll be using VADER and multilingual sentiment analyzing tools. Then it is also motivated by the popularity of football sports that is played all over 200 countries, especially in Nigeria, where football matches generate a lot of contents across the country. So these studies reviewed several literatures, and summary of them is presented in this table, 5 of them, where sentiment analysis is used to evaluate different textual corpus, like Olaleye et al. Used topic modeling on a survey data. Usman, Zain, and Assad used a perception model on a media feedback for sentiment analysis. Nikit et al. Also used Twitter sentiment analysis on tweets, while Facebook comments were analyzed by sentiment analysis by Marina, while Alofi and Sadiq also used sentiment classifiers on tweet conversations, all to unravel actionable insights from text. From literature, it is observed that majority of the studies collected corpus on specific users. They have a predetermined specific users, and majority of them used specific analyzers, thereby resulting into isolated experimental results. So the objective of this study is to conduct a comparative analysis of VADER and multilingual sentiment analyzers to unravel and discover their uniqueness on the textual football corpus. And also, our corpus will be extracted from streaming of football. It will consist of stream football textual corpus, such that there are no specific target audience in mind. So this is the conceptual model of the study. The study used Orange Data Mining Toolkits for tweet acquisition in 2 categories, Nigeria versus Tunisia and Nigeria versus Guinea-Bissau. And the processes involved are highlighted and will be discussed in subsequent slides. So corpus acquisition, the tweets were acquired during the course of the matches between Nigeria, Tunisia, and Nigeria, Gambia. A total of 14,141,371 tweet corpus, representing 1,000 tweet authors, was captured during Nigeria versus Tunisia, while 127,072 tweets representing corpus, representing 1,000 authors, was captured for Nigeria versus Guinea-Bissau match. Then the corpus were pre-processed to remove noise, and several other pre-processing techniques were done on conversion of the entire corpus to lowercase, elimination of noise, tokenization was also done, and filtering of stop words like articles, prepositions, and conjunctions were also done. After that, this study also employed topic modeling to extract topics from the corpus, from the 2 unique corpus. And topic modeling simply, the study used latent semantic indexing technique of corpus modeling on the orange data mining to extract topics from the textual corpus. And subsequently, the VADER-based lexicon analyzer is employed on each of the 1,000 textual documents after the pre-processing. And the VADER-based lexicon analyzer extracts 3 polarities for each 1,000 textual corpus. Positive sentiment values, negative sentiment values, and neutral sentiment values were computed for each of the 1,000 corpus belonging to the 2 different categories. Then the multilingual analyzer is a deep learner analyzer that is used to extract insights from textual corpus based on different methods like word-to-vec, love, doc-to-vec, or as input layers, which returned output layers of numeric outputs. So this approach has proven to be impressive, like the VADER variant as well. So the 2 analyzers are used in this study. And the result of the VADER analyzer is presented for multilingual, is also presented here for the positive tweets. And the word cloud is also done on each of the corpus. For the conceptual framework, the word cloud for the positive tweet is hereby presented, and the word cloud for the negative tweet on multilingual is hereby also presented. And then the result of the topic modeling is also presented here as contained in the conceptual framework, where 5 topics are generated on the first Nigeria versus Tunisia corpus, and another 5 topics generated on Nigeria versus Guinea-Bissau corpus, which is presented here. So the result is revealing, quite revealing, and is shown here. The first thing identified, which is being contributed to knowledge, is the fact that the multilingual sentiment analyzers are more suited for shorter phrasal expressions. Tweets of short phrases are captured by the multilingual phrasers compared to the VADER analyzer that targets tweets of larger phrases. It is also identified in results that word tokens of local dialects, especially Pidgin English, example, wahala, done, are targeted by the multilingual analyzer. The multilingual analyzer displays tweets that has local dialects in their presentations, unlike the VADER sentiment analyzers, which are the 2 major things identified in this study as the distinctions between multilingual and VADER sentiment analyzers. Thank you.